Fighting is dynamic. Things are shifting and changing all the time. It's very rare that I can stick to a fixed pattern of movement to win a fight, and that holds especially true when it comes to the use of double weapons like these double sticks. But then when we practice double sticks, why do we so often just mirror one pattern on the other side? So today we're going to do a combination that I call an uneven Sinawali, which means that it's still a weaving pattern, but it's going to be different on one side and it's going to be different on the other side. Hey, this is Tuan Aditya from LightHaven, and let's explore some Sinawali. Let's quickly talk about some of the problems in the way that we often practice Sinawali. Now, the most common Sinawali patterns that we have is this Heaven 6, or in PKT we call it upper 8, right? Whether I'm doing all broken attacks, everything is being pulled right back to my body, or I'm doing a combination of fluid and broken attacks. So some attacks have follow throughs and the third one doesn't. Whether it is that I'm doing just again your basic Heaven 6, so angle 1, angle 2, angle 2, or I'm doing some variation of this. So for example, angle 1, angle 2, angle 10. I know this is called redondo in some arts. One of the problems with this is we are not switching levels. Everything is high. And of course, this is an easy solution. The easiest solution is just going high, low, high, heaven and earth, as some systems call it. In PKT, we also have other combinations. We have high, high, low, and high, low, low. And then we have what we call our lower eights as well, which is all three are lower attacks. So this is an easy fix. But the other problem that happens is that because I'm always just training to mirror one side on the other side, in fighting that's often not what's going to happen. However, I may use that Sinawali, whether I'm using it as an entry, whether I'm using it as once I've got past my opponent's weapon, I'm using it like a machine gun, whether I am using it just as a moving guard. However it is that I am using it, it helps a lot for me to also know how to break out of this pattern without breaking my flow. So we're going to start on the same side loading position just like we would do for any other Sinawali. One important detail in this combination is if I start from here, I will end here, so I can begin the combination on the other side. If I start from here, I'm going to end here, and this allows me to work both sides, and I don't have to do one set on the right side, one set on the left side. In the same set, I can work both sides. So we start from here. I am going to go with the top stick high, pull it back, low. So it's a 1 and a 4. And then as I pull this stick back, this stick is going to come out with a 2. And now as I pull this back, this stick is going to come out with a 2. So it's a normal Sinawali, but we're adding a fourth count, which is this low attack. So I'm going high, low, high, high. Okay, I can do this on the other side as well. High, low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high. And this would be fine. This is a great combination. It's a really fun variation of the 4-count combination, as well as level changes, and it's really challenging me on my loading positions and my coordination as well. So just this on its own is a great combination to try. However, this is not solving the mirroring problem, right? Because I am going the same way I'm going on my right side, the same way I'm going on my left side. And while it is good to practice that, I would like a larger combination, which is my other side is going to be different from the other side. So my right side is going to be one thing, my left side is going to be the other thing. I'm going to take a quick break in the video to ask you guys for your support on our Patreon page as well as on our YouTube memberships. On our Patreon page as well as on our YouTube memberships, we have exclusive videos for you guys. On Patreon, I think we have over 250 exclusive videos. We have things like the drill of the week, we have a 2-horn training thoughts, we have exclusive episodes of Ancient Arts, Modern Warriors, we have extended versions of the YouTube videos that go out for you guys here free. Similar things on the YouTube memberships. Your support helps us a lot. It means a lot. It allows us to continue doing what it is that we are doing. It allows us to continue running the school and all of our programs. So thank you guys so much for your support. If you'd like to know more about either of the pages, I'm going to leave links in the description down below. Now back to the video. Now let's add that part 2. I need to make a small addition to part 1 for that. I've still gone high, low, but now instead of this hand coming out as a broken attack and a broken attack, it's going to be fluid. So it's going to be broken, broken, fluid, broken. That's going to be the change in the combination. Broken, broken, fluid, broken. And that fluid is important because I'm going to use the follow through of the fluid to come around into a Vitic. I'm using that momentum to come around into a Vitic or an Abanico, right? So again, high, low, high, high, and this comes all the way around and hits with a Vitic. This is going to feel awkward at first, but you will get used to it. And that, again, the idea is to challenge our coordination. High, low, fluid, high, Vitic. Right, I'm hitting in front. From here, I am going to go angle 1, angle 2, and then both of my sticks are going to come back together in this simultaneous attack, and now I am on the other side. So the whole combination, high, low, high, high, Vitic, angle 1, angle 2, simultaneous attack, and I'm on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time from the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The idea is I'm using momentum to carry me from one thing to the other thing, and then I'm continuing. The momentum of this carries, and I am disguising that abanico or that Vitic with this. So as this comes out and then this comes out and then this hits from on top and I go down, boom, and then I'm coming into this loading position, which allows me to come back with that simultaneous attack. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, if you learned from what you saw, please do like and share this video. If you have anything to add, any questions, any comments, please leave that in the comments down below. Please do subscribe to the channel. All of these things really do help out the school and the channel a lot. A huge thank you to everybody on our Patreon page and everybody on our YouTube memberships. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you'd like to know more about the exclusive content that we offer on either of the pages, check out the links in the description down below. Lastly, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.